Market moves ups and downs, but what matters is the stability, and there what comes is the SIF. In SIF, it can invest up to 25% in the unhedged derivative so that the portfolio can be more balanced when the market falls down. In this video, we are going to understand about the different segments and the categories of the SIF. SIF are available in three segments: equity, debt and hybrid. And in equity, debt and hybrid, there are 7 categories. Now let's understand about the equity. First in the equity segment is the equity long short. It is nothing but it is just like a flexi cap where it can invest in 25% unhedged derivative. The next one is equity X top 100 long short equity. It is just like a mid and small cap fund. It can invest 25% in the unhedged derivative. And the third one is a sector rotation fund. It is again like a sector fund where 25% can be invested in unhedged derivative. And in debt, there are 2 funds. Debt long short fund, it is just like your dynamic bond fund where 25% can be invested into unhedged derivative. And the second one is sectoral debt long short. In hybrid, there are 2 schemes. Active asset allocator long short, it is just like a multi-asset fund where 25% can be invested into derivative. Hybrid long short fund, it is just like a BAF where 25% can be invested into derivative. So to summarize, SIFs are designed to provide the stability in both rising and the falling market using up to 25% of unhedged derivative. Out of all these categories, currently there are 4 schemes available for the investments. Maybe in the future more schemes will be launched. So if you want to invest with better balance and controlled risk, SIF can be the option to invest in. And to know more details, connect with us.